This time we have j raised to power 147. Okay, again we're supposed to look at the exponent. Exponent is greater than 4. That's why we're supposed to perform long divisions. Have 147 divided by 4. 4 goes into 14 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract, I have 2. Bring down 7. 4 goes into 27 6 times. 6 times 4 is equal 24. Subtract, and I have 3. And this is my new exponent for j. So this is equal negative, and I have j to the third power, where j to the third power is equal negative j. That's why what I'm supposed to do, copy down the negative sign, and instead of j to the third, I'm supposed to write negative j. Negative times negative will give me positive, and my answer is equal j. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. This time we have the product of 3 j's with powers. Now, we know that j to 4th power is equal 1. That's why I'm going to copy down j to the 3rd times j to the 4th is equal 1. I'm not going to copy down because 1 times anything gives me the same thing. So that's why I'm going to just copy down j to 6. Next, we're supposed to use properties of exponents. And I have j, and I have 3 plus 6. Okay, anytime we multiply, we keep the base and add exponents. And I have j to power 9. 9 is greater than 4. 9 divided by 4, always by 4. 4 goes into 9 2 times. 2 times 4 gives me 8. Subtract, we have 1. So this is equal j to the first power, which is equal j. And this is the solution to my problem.